Panahon ng COVID, May 7, 2021, Davao City, Davao City, 672.5 million spending for COVID-19 plugged in audit. Huli, no? Kumbaga, may napansin sila. The city spent 7.9 million to employ those who lost their jobs, no? Kumbaga, mga empleyado at kung ano-ano pa, dinastusan nila. Kumbaga, di ba, tayo, bahay lang tayo, naku, wala po kaming trabaho, ganito, ganyan. O sige, bibigyan namin kayo ng trabaho, etc., etc. Kaya lang ho, mga bossing, nung ine-examine na po, yung mga taong yon, sabi dito, but examination of documents find questionable beneficiaries and if these people really work at all. So ito ba yung tinatawag na ghost employee?